online shoppers, I got a really cool game gifted to me by the company that makes it. It's called Rabbit Hole. Now this is all about tricking your friends into picking your answer to common internet search queries. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now one of the cool things about this game is that it's actually really family friendly. So you can play this with your kids and not worry that there's going to be some inappropriate questions. Now this one here, you can buy the game separately, but this package, I got it with the expansion pack. This is going to give you additional game opportunities. Picture on the front of the box, super cute. I love the small compact size. This is great for travel. You can bring it with you to camp, bring it with you when you travel. First thing out of the box is the instructions. What I like is it's this really nice sturdy laminated plastic, which means sticky fingers, you can wipe them off. The rules are in here, really easy to see, and I love when everything is really nice and neatly displayed. It's definitely a plus for me when I get that. Here's the score pad. The winner of this game is the first person to 25 points. So you use this little scorecard to keep track. And another really cool thing about this is you can play this with a super large number of people. This is a score pad for 10 people because then you just like create little tick marks every time somebody gets a point. But if you have more than 10 people playing, there's definitely a lot of cards. You can go to an additional scorecard. So there's really actually no limit to the number of people who can play this. That makes this a great one for kids' birthday parties. What a great choice. Now, inside here, we have the game cards, 200 cards, which means you've got a lot of gameplay here. Plus, remember, we also have the expansion pack. Here's the premise of the game. On the back of these cards are common internet search queries. So what do people put into Google, into Bing, that sort of a thing. And here's a sample of the card questions. So like, are there any trillionaires? Or can teachers have tattoos? Or what's weird about the platypus? So what you would do is you would make sure that everybody at the table has one of these little answer pads. Now there's 10 of these answer pads right here because ideally they say you play this with 10 people. However, these little pads can tear off, so you could actually play with however many people you want. And then even after you blow through the pads, you can always order more or you can just use paper, right? So here are the little slips of paper and here it has Rabbit Hole and you're gonna put your answer. So everybody, including the leader, is going to fill out one of these little answer tabs. So here's my card right here. Now on here are 3 search queries, but I only have to pick one as the leader. So I'm going to start by reading out loud to everyone who's playing the game the first part of the sentence. Now you see here how there's the first part of the sentence, there's a ... and then there is the bolded word underneath. Now, I'm not going to read the bolded word underneath to everybody. That's what I'm going to write on my answer card. Everyone else is going to complete that sentence. How far away is the closest ... They're going to put their best answer on the card right here. And from there, I, as a leader, am going to collect all the cards. Now, I'm also going to fill out one of these cards, but I'm going to put the bolded answer right here on mine. Everyone is going to put their name down here and I'm going to collect all the sheets. Once I've collected all the sheets, I'm going to randomize them and read them in a random order. And then people are going to vote for which is the best answer. Now, you get points based on how many people vote for your answer or if you guess the right answer. Now, for scoring, you can get points 3 ways. First way you can get a point is if people vote for your answer. So when your answer is shared, if people vote for that after all the answers have been read, you get a point for that. Now, if you correctly guess the right answer, you get 2 points for that. And if you submit the right answer, so if you wrote, how far away is the closest star, you actually get 4 points for that answer. So those are the points range. Now what you do at the end of each round is you get your scorecard right here. Everybody's names would be down here. And then you would write the number of points beside each name. The first person to 25 points wins the game. Now, when you take a look at all these different questions in here, should babies be able to, the correct answer, talk at 2? Can the police view old Snapchats? Why does my dog keep licking me? Why can't I fall asleep? These are all really PG, really fun questions. So you can definitely do this with a younger audience. and I think that this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to give this a try at the next family function with all my little nieces and nephews and see what kind of fun we can have with this. When I think about this game, one of the greatest things about it is that there are so many options for playing this game. You could play this game a bunch of times through and never use all the questions because there's actually 3 search queries on each card, and all you have to do is just pick the one that you want to talk about. On top of that, if you purchase the expansion pack, you have even more opportunities. Now, the cards look just like these ones. They can get mixed in, and it's just more options. Will Walmart ever go away? Are cops allowed to run red lights? Is it unhealthy to hold in farts? So there are all kinds of really great questions that you can ask to a PG audience. You could play this with grown-ups too, but this is definitely something that would be a lot of fun for kids. And I think that this is going to be something that my family will really enjoy. Based on what I see here, my first look at this game, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.